Hello and welcome to Health and Fitness with Beatrice. I am so happy to be with you here in Stockholm, Östermalm, Humlan in Sweden. And this is a full body HIIT session from the top to the bottom. We're doing 12 moves. There are 12 reps approximately on each move. I've got the timer here. So we're going to do 30 seconds on and 20 seconds off. And that gives approximately 12 reps on each move, okay? So we are starting with shuffle, 8 punches. This is a perfect exercise or workout for anybody who struggles to get going, who's maybe a bit plus size, have a bit of a tummy, 50 plus, anybody who struggles and doesn't know what to do. There's no jumping, no equipment. Anybody can do this and you will lean out. Just have to be consistent and persistent with it, okay? I'm a qualified personal trainer and fitness instructor. So let's start here now. That is shuffle, shuffle. So we shuffle, shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you go to the side, you're squatting down, and you're squatting here as well. Now we're just going to see. So it's a tiny little finger there. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then to the side here now. Marvelous. Now, on the 22nd, if you get a bit out of breath, just breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And then breathe out. By doing that, you can more or less do all the exercises back to back. It's amazing. Now, we're going to jog in place and we are starting now. It's not jogging, it's like the tigers are behind us. So you go all in, you go all you can. You walk, you jog. But if you can, you really sprint all you can. Then there's 18 seconds left. Come on, this is great. This really burns fat. It demands a lot of energy to keep on like this for 30 seconds. We have 8, 7, come on, it's almost done. Move those legs. Ah. Marvelous. Now, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. We have got 10 seconds left. Now, not yet for you, just to show you, high knees and pulling the rope. And we are starting now. So, as high up as you possibly can, you lift up your knees, and when you're doing that, you're using your glutes, your bottom, to lift up your knees and your abs. This is a great exercise for your tummy and for your glutes. And then you're pulling down the rope, so you're using your upper body at the same time. So, come on. 6, 5, any second now. Perfect. Breathe in, breathe out. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, mountain climbers, I would go down, but it's so cold here, so it's not true. So, God, okay. You start with the mountain climber, I need to have gloves on, otherwise my hands probably get stuck. So we are doing mountain climbers. Knee into your chest. Come on. We can go down on the floor, but this is a great way as well. Okay, so one foot on the floor, you are plank to begin with, and then just push your knee into your chest as fast as you possibly can. Okay, marvelous. I'm going to keep this on. Side lunge. Stand in the middle, and then go to the side. Okay, so we're going to side and side. Okay, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and then breathe out. Starting now. So knee and 2 points in the same direction. So side lunges, great to strengthen your legs. Ooh. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Okay, we have got 4 seconds left, almost done. There we go. Now squat floor, we're squatting down. So now, a bit of pain in my legs, so I can't go far down. So So I'm going to squat down as far as I can, go down as far down as I possibly can, sitting down like on a chair. You're squatting down, and then you are reaching up, okay? Squatting down, starting now. 30 seconds. Some days you can do more because for some weird reason you are more softer, flexible in your body and in your joints and in your muscles. Today my left leg hurts a little bit, so this is as far down as I'm going to do. Always listen to your own body. So you go down, explode up, slowly down, explode up. Marvelous. Back kick. So now we're kicking our legs up to our bottom, and we are pulling that rope down as fast as we possibly can. And we are starting that now in 4 seconds. Any minute here now. Starting now. So you're pulling the rope fast down as quickly as you possibly can while you are kicking up with your heels to your bottom. And as you can tell, I'm doing this outside. If you've got a safe ground, this must be a basketball court with the children. Anywhere, you can do exercise anywhere. Just find somewhere, just get stressed accordingly. Okay, pulling that rope and kicking up. Marvelous. Fast kick armpits. This is the best one for the bingo wings. We're kicking out, and of course, you can jog out, okay? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stand still and then kick out. And going back to begin with, and then forward, okay? So starting now, I'm going to go back 15 seconds and forward 15 seconds. So you can do small moves, then you get in more, or big moves. Doesn't matter, depending on how your socket is and what you feel like, okay? So now we're going forward. And this is a great little exercise for your bingo wings, if you have any. Now, 2, 1, 0. Now, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. A friend of mine asked yesterday, but can you really lose weight if you are not jogging and jumping and all of that real real madness, really, that you did when you were 20? Anyway, squat jump, squat, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So while you're doing this now, you're squatting down, and then you are taking 3 jabs in front of your face. So you're having your arms high up so that you really work your upper body at the same time, okay? So she asked me, can you really lose weight and lean up if you're not jumping and, you know, really doing the old Swedish jumping high like many of them do? Yes, you can. You lean up. You don't need to hammer your knees totally, okay? Reverse lunge. Right, go back, down, and kick out. Go back, lunge down, and kick out. So you lunge down, go down a little bit, and then you kick out. And we are starting now. Marvelous. Down. Now, it's quite early in the morning, so I am still a little bit stiff. But in the perfect world, you would have 90 degrees on your front leg and 90 degrees on your back leg. As you can tell, I'm not having that. But that does bother me? Not a tinkle. Okay? I'm doing what I can today, and I'm happy with that. Remember, small wins gets you to the big goal. Now, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So now we go back with the left leg soon. I'll let you know when we do. Lunge back and then kick out. Lunge back, go down. Now, starting. Lunge back, down, kick out. Lunge back, kick out. And when you have done 7 minutes of this one, and obviously I warmly recommend that you do my 7-minute warm-up before you do this one. And then I have got some cool down as well. But this is just the HIIT session itself, okay? 7 minutes. You feel so much better after. And that was it. You have done 7 minutes of a HIIT session from the top to the bottom. And now, there's a little bit of kick out. just kick it out like you would have something dirty on your legs, and that sort of like gathers everything in place again. It kicks it into place, okay? Now, I want to recommend you drink lots of water, and also that you do put a bit of a cool down, okay? I got lots here on my channel who take any cool down. Even if you do a little bit like this, please do a cool down after. And you can do this once, twice, 3 times a day. The more you do it, the better. But seriously, 7 minutes is perfect. Everybody has got that. Lots and lots of love to you all, wherever you are in the world. And thank you for watching. Bye. Out from Stockholm. Bye.